Mae'n ganol dydd yng nghartre'r henoed, Welwood. Mae hyn yn golygu un peth. Amser cinio.
Mae tŷ Welwood yn anydd gofal ychwanegol lle ca preswylwyr ei stafell ei hun, ei drws blaen ei hun a'i hymgylchedd personol, ond mae'n cynnig yn ogystal amgylchedd i'w rannu a chymorth parod wrth y nyrsys ar y safle.
They've all got their own flats, their own kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms. In a lot of other places, they're all actually in the same room, not doing anything really. But here, you know, they have an option, and if they want to come down here and have a chat with the carers, not just other tenants, we're always here.
Well, my name is Agnes Mason, my husband Cyril. We moved in here a few months back, and we couldn't have wished to make a better move anywhere. You've got a hairdresser's, we've got a shop, we've got a library, we've got an activity room. It's proper home from home. It's our home anyway, and I think everyone else feels the same.
There's always something going on in Welwood. We have choirs here in the evening sometimes. Tenants have fish and chip suppers.
And it's fish and chip suppers every night, is it?
No, once a fortnight on a Wednesday.
Mae'r adnodd hynod lwyddiannus hwn wedi arwain at gyflwyno adnoddau gofal pellach o amgylch y ddinas.